So did you like my Urvasi reaction video? If you did and you're a 90s kid, I'm telling you, you're gonna like this one too, so stick around. First things first, I gotta thank you guys for clicking on this video because I know there's so many other videos out there on YouTube that you could be watching, so I appreciate you clicking on my video. With that being said, welcome to another episode of Dad's Den, where I do fun reaction videos just like this one. I also do tech reviews and I do food reviews, so if you're into any of those three things, please subscribe below. I would really appreciate it. Also hit the notification bell, that way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, okay? Because YouTube, yeah, anyway, just hit the notification bell. All right. So I had this suggestion, and this is from Twitter. So if you don't know, I'm on social media. You can look at me at The Real Dad's Den. And this one came from, let me double check here. This one came from Pradeep Rajkumar. Pradeep Rajkumar. And he says, check out Come On, Come On video song. And this is a Tamil movie, and Prabhu Deva is in this, and it's a A.R. Rahman song, so that's what we're going to do today. And because it's a 90s stuff, and anyway, let's just watch it because it's awesome. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, and don't forget, if you like dancing and you like good music and you grew up in the 90s, you got to go check out my video up here of Urvasi. It is awesome. All right, let's jump into it. This looks more 70s than 90s.
Come on, oh Kamachi. Kannamuchidan yen kachi.
And they call him the Indian Michael Jackson, just so you guys know. I hope he starts dancing soon, because dude can dance. His face. Dude, it looks like an 80s game show. Oh boy. Charlie Chaplin right there. Prabhu Deva can dance though. Here we go.
அம்மா ஓ காமாட்சி கண்ணாமூச்சிதான் என் காட்சி கோழி முட்டைக்குள் முயலை எடுக்கிறேன் இதுதான் என் கண் காட்சி மணலை தீர்த்து மல்லிகையாக்குவேன் மலா நீ சாட்சி
Alright, that is the end of the video. Let me get into my reaction. Alright, so as I told you guys in my Urvasi reaction video, again, make sure to check that out. It's a great song. I am a product of the 80s and 90s. I was born in maybe I shouldn't say that, but I'm a little older. I'm a product of the 80s and 90s, okay? So anyhow, whenever I get to watch these ones, it brings me back to my junior high and high school years. So just what they're wearing, the parachute pants, the colors. This one looks more of a mid 80s song to me. So but let me, I'm actually gonna look this up because I'm interested in seeing when this came out. Wow, I was completely wrong. This came out in 1995. Maybe they were trying to do like a retro, but it looks to me like late 80s. Anyway, that's what we were wearing in the late 80s. Maybe they're a little bit behind. I don't know. But either way, it takes me back, which is awesome. The song itself was pretty good. Not the best song. I thought it was okay. I really liked Urvasi a lot better than this song. But it's still a fun song, and still fun to see Prabhu dancing and doing all this fun stuff, and just to watch them, just really the clothes that they're wearing, it just cracks me up because it's so different than any other era in history. I mean, it's completely unique to the 80s and 90s. So anyway, thank you for that suggestion. But now it's time for all of you guys who are watching to leave in the comments below a suggestion of something you would want me to react to. Whoa. I'm having a hard time talking right there. All right. But leave in the comments below something you would like me to react to, and I will do my best to get to it, okay? So in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, notification bell, because you don't want to miss anything that's coming up here on Dad's Den. We got a lot of fun stuff coming. And anyhow, that's going to do it for this episode of Dad's Den. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, work smarter, not harder.